You too, man. You know what time it is, man. It's the biggest, the richest, the strongest.
And in front of the millions.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end.
If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button right now. Alright, YouTube. The point of this video today, we're gonna show you the results of Curl Enhanced Smoothie. Like a lot of cats, you know, don't like Curl Enhanced Smoothie, and I feel them because I used to be the same exact way when I first started waving like years ago. But the problem isn't the product, the problem is the amount that you're using. So like if it says Curl Enhanced Smoothie, what do you think it's gonna do? Jimmy, if you have 2 apples and another 2 apples, how many apples do you have together? 6. What the? It's pretty much common knowledge to know that, like, don't put a whole bunch of this product in your hair. Like, the best way to apply a product to your hair is always start from your crown. It'll still be real nice, neat, and copacetic, you feel me? Today in this video, I showed you how I put the Curl Enhanced Smoothie in, my brush regimen on how I do it. So y'all stay tuned, man. So you see how I got it in, you know what I mean? You go medium, then you go hard, then you go soft. No comb. Let me go ahead and take this do-rag off.
He's heating up!
Oh dang, I'm looking at the camera myself like, god dang, that boy nice with it. Woo! Woo! Hold on, man. Hold on, man. Let me check this back right quick, huh?
He's on fire!
My hair love it. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on, man. Let me go back to Cocky Macito, you know what I mean? It's all bad for him over here, you know what I mean? It's all bad for him. Don't put a whole bunch, man. Like, your hair is gonna be white when you use it regardless, when you spread it through. But don't make it so wet it look like god dang drywall plaster on your head, you know what I mean? Little concrete head bastard. I don't know why I cooked y'all up like that right quick. But look, put a little bit in, make sure you start at your crown, brush, and it's gonna go through evenly, alright? So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and we out.
It's the greatest that ever did it. It's the strongest, the richest. Rose, double M.
Rose.
Bill Brown up. Rich forever. Yeah. It only makes sense, nigga. Check. Yeah.